Hello everyone, I'm Xinya from TerraNova, an interdisciplinary research team from City University of Hong Kong, supervised by Professor Lin Zhang. Our team has published many papers in top economic journals. Today, we are excited to share our latest insights on global sustainable transition. Let's start with a crucial concept, overseas coal-fired power plants, or OCPs. These are coal plants built in one country but financed by another. Over the past decade, OCPs have faced heavy criticism as major sources of pollution and carbon emissions. Paradoxically, many countries were financing coal projects abroad while claiming to phase out fossil fuels at home. To fix this, a major policy shift occurred. In 2013, the US, the UK, and the five Nordic countries officially pledged to end public financing for OCPs. We call this the EFOCP policy. International development banks quickly joined. However, it wasn't until 2021 that the largest Asian investors, China, Japan, and South Korea, finally climbed on board. But here is the big question. Are these supply-side disinvestment policies actually working? Surprisingly, there is a significant research gap regarding the real impact of these policies. To fill this gap, our team built a comprehensive, world-first dataset tracking the full life cycle of global coal plants. We didn't just look at numbers. We innovated by utilizing plants' wiki pages to uncover the exact reasons why OCP projects were cancelled. We then applied advanced statistical frameworks, including causal inference and survival analysis, to ensure our findings are robust and solid. Our research reviews three critical findings. First, the good news. The financing ban did accelerate the phasing out of coal. After 2013, project cancellations increased due to investor withdrawals and financing constraints. Our models document that these policies successfully reduced proposed coal capacities, increased project failure rates, and shrank inward coal investments. However, here's the catch. Because different countries joined the ban at different times, we discovered major leakage channels that limit its effectiveness. When an OCP project was cancelled in one country, that capacity will be replaced by investments from countries that hadn't signed the ban yet, or by local coal-fired power plants or new gas-fired power plants. Shockingly, 57% of the expected emission reductions were completely offset by these leakage channels. Third, and most importantly, EFOCP policies fail to break the global South's dependence on fossil power. We found that when overseas co-financing disappeared, it actually reduced local wind power capacity. Why? Because the retreat of multinational energy firms restricted clean technology diffusion, and the local capitals crowded back into local coal-fired power plants. Without a clean alternative, developing countries simply reverted to what they can get, fossil power. In conclusion, our study provides robust empirical evidence that supply-side disinvestment policies alone cannot solve the climate crisis. Stopping the money for bad energy is not enough. We must replace it with global collaboration and green financing for clean energy. We are TerraNova, working together for a better, greener future. Thank you.